2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.